Thank you again for your interest in SF50 Flight Support's Universal In-Flight Entertainment Kit for the SF50 Vision Jet. You'll see that it provides mutual compatibility to make use easy and convenient in the aircraft. You'll always have the right connection for each flight. This gives you a chance to look at both ends of the cable. The overall cable assembly length is approximately 6 feet, and this provides sufficient length for even the left passenger to be able to connect to a device from the left rear seat and utilize their device for the in-flight entertainment system. At the other end of this 6-foot cable assembly, you'll see that it's braided for protection and also to keep the cables nice and tidy. You have an HDMI connection as well as a USB-A connector. The USB-A connector connects directly to the panel and provides power for your device for charging in flight. The HDMI connector, on the other hand, connects directly to the panel and provides HDMI signal to the aircraft's in-flight entertainment system. In this case, we decided to connect the USB-C adapter, and it's connected here to a newer iPad. Coincidentally, the USB-C adapter is also reverse compatible for Samsung devices. What's great about the kit is it does also support Lightning connectors. So if you have an older Apple device that uses a Lightning connector, you can use the Lightning connector adapter that connects to the HDMI and also the device and signal cable, and then connect the adapter to your device, and you have compatibility with an Apple device with the Lightning connector as well. So the design and the intent of the Universal Kit is to provide multiple connections for multiple devices and provide the ability to also charge your device when connected to the USB-C. Thank you again for your interest in SF50 Flight Support's Universal In-Flight Entertainment Kit for the SF50 Vision Jet. You'll see that it provides mutual compatibility to make use easy and convenient in the aircraft. You'll always have the right connection for each flight. Thanks for your interest, and if you have any questions, contact us at 615-543-8553 or email info@sf50flightsupport.com.